Imagine transforming your body and mind with just a few weights. Intrigued? Let's dive into the world of weight training and discover its incredible benefits. Weight training, also known as resistance or strength training, involves exercises designed to improve strength and endurance by contracting muscles against external resistance. From free weights like dumbbells and barbells to resistance bands and even your own body weight, the options are endless. Not only does weight training help build and maintain lean muscle mass, but it also enhances bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Improved metabolism is another fantastic benefit, helping you manage your weight more effectively by increasing your basal metabolic rate. Better joint function and flexibility are key advantages, improving joint stability and mobility, making everyday movements easier. Weight training also has a profound impact on mental health, reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety, and boosting overall well-being. Before you start, consult a professional, especially if you have health issues or are over 40. Consider working with a certified trainer to learn proper techniques and form. Consistency is crucial. Aim for 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week, allowing 48 hours of rest between sessions for the same muscle group. Remember, proper technique is essential to prevent injuries and maximize effectiveness. Start with lighter weights, stay hydrated, and keep a workout journal to track your progress.